Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of the coffin bag video. The link's up here in the corner. We are finishing the Halloween coffin bag and I'll show you how to make these little crows and how to sew it on. The crows are made with this shiny yarn. It's Rikorumi Lame from Rico Design, but in this tutorial I'm gonna use a different yarn so you can see the stitches more clearly. Slip knot, then 6 chains, then 5 stitches into the back bumps. I start into the second stitch, chain, then undo this knot this way, place this end over, and another 4 stitches. And the last stitch. Done. The first row is done. On this side 1, on this side also 1. So in this technique, internal stitch, 1 row is counted only after you finished crocheting on both sides. Then I continue. I make the second row, 5 stitches on both sides. Chain, and on this side also 5 stitches. And chain. The second row is done. I count by these loops, small loops. 1, 2. On this side also 1, 2. Please crochet another 14 rows on your own. I've crocheted all 16 rows. I didn't make turning chain. Pull 2 loops. Don't tighten too much because we need these loops. We're going to crochet through these loops. Now I make slip knot, then 5 chains. Then I take this piece, this is right side, wrong side, here we see these steps, right side, and this way. These first 2 loops. And I make stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we are crocheting 17th row. Then 6 chains. 6. I'm going to crochet 5 stitches into the back loop only. Start into the second. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This way. Then on this piece 5 stitches through all loops, through these 2 loops, 5 stitches, and now on this side into the back loop also 5 stitches. Then undo this knot, chain, and now I finish this row on this side. I made 5 stitches, crochet another 10. And then here remaining 5 stitches through 2 loops. Okay, 17th row is done. 16, 17, 16, 17. Please crochet another 4 rows with 15 stitches. I've made all these 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the right side. And the right side is where these loops are clothed to you. Wrong side, right side. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows without steps like on the wrong side. And now we crochet the last 5 rows with 5 stitches only. Okay, count 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way. This end place over these stitches. Then make 4 stitches with this end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain. We made only the half of the 22nd row. Let's make the second half. We make 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's find this back loop. Here it is. 5. Now we crochet another 4 rows with 5 stitches. Right side. These loops are closer to you. This is the right side. 1, 2 rows are done. Crochet another 3. And here please leave a really long tail. And now please steam your cross. I decided to make a black cross because I think it goes really well with pink. Now I'm using paints to fix the cross onto the back and sewing it with the same yarn we left earlier. On the back I'm going to insert the needle under these loops. Okay, I count 8 stitches to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Use this line as a guide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's start. Under this loop, then back to this place. the last stitch. We started here. And under the cross, for example, this way.